first. You did not clean the...
Even the even the chicken itself is even good.
Oh, this one will not say come to stress me. Okay. This water is hot. You don't like it? You don't like it?
Even the chicken itself is good.
It's nice.
The chicken is cold. It's cold.
I give them to warm it. Don't ask them to warm it. Guys, I'm eating chicken rice shop. Chicken rice shop. What? I'm at chicken rice shop. I ordered 2 plates for my son. He refused to eat. This one is a local boy. They want to try anything new. Only stick on McDonald's, KFC. I ate this one before and I love it. So today I'm eating it again. And I'm enjoying it.
Stop eating like this.
Shut up, I'm hungry. Look at the soup. You talk now, we'll drink the soup like this. Try me now. Just try me.
Drink it.
So,
Aura away the food.
I get aura. I will finish these 2 plates. Although the portion is small, but I will chop them more. I'm hungry. I see how I'm eating like it. I never eat this morning. I already finished this one, so I'll be answering this one later. It's yummy. I like it. I like it so much. I eat the cucumber. See how they're looking at me.
Maybe we are black.
Huh?
Maybe we are black.
Does it matter? Don't say that. I love it. This one is better than McDonald's now.
This is too cold. Same thing that we're eating.
And Malay people eat small portion of food. They don't eat much.
That's why they're cooking. That's why they're cooking. But in Japan, they eat very well. That's why they're cooking.
How come it?
I'm an Indian friend. She's too fat.
The way you're looking at me.
Why not shouting it? And why laughing? Why shouting it?
No worry. This one be like pepper soup. Yummy. One down. Another one about to go down. Man, I was really hungry. I love the
Calm down now.
pepper.
Don't
Shut up.
rush.
No, Chono, you are who want to do that sema. I eat as I want, it's my money. I know the steez. Your mommy don't have any steez.
That's what they're looking at you.
Let them look at me. What is my business?
They have better food. I have better food.
That one is their steez now. I eat as I want, it's my money. Okay guys, let me stay off the camera so I can enjoy this my delicious meal very well. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm done. Oh, I'm done eating. Oh,
Mashallah.
mashallah. I'm done. Oh boy, I don't know. I really enjoyed this meal. David, what do you want? No. Black forest. Let's go. What do you want? You want cake? I beg you, don't pass this level now. Are you still a baby? Eh?
Matcha.
The boy and you know go like I'm not. Let's go look for where to buy you McDonald's. This boy doesn't eat anything else apart from my McDonald's, KFC, and Nigerian food. Come, you want? Come and take if you want. I don't know. Butter sugar. We have to cross the other side. Okay, see you on the next video.